a meditation to connect with the wonderful energies of Mother Nature. And the intention of this meditation is for you to experience being nurtured in nature and to enable you to bring clarity, healing, and whatever you require in the moment to any challenges, problems that you're currently facing. To commence the meditation, find yourself in a quiet space where you can be grounded and centered. You may want to sit out in your garden or walk in nature. Wherever you go, to feel connected to the beautiful, beautiful natural environment that we're blessed to live in. Take a deep breath in and breathe out any little thoughts or cares. This is your special time just to be. As you connect with this magical space, you're guided towards a bright, bright light. Gently walk over, and as you go through the gateway, this magical portal, you're going to have an experience of how we can have heaven here on earth. As you walk through, you may feel the sense of a guide with you, a little power animal. However that comes to you, know that you're safe and protected and very loved. Walking through, just allow any little problems to float up through a little cloud, letting them float away without attachment. And as you do so, you start to smell the wonderful aroma of the flowers, the trees, the incense, beautiful bees coming toward you, beautiful little bees following the queen bee. And the bees are here just to take any remnants of self-doubt, anything that is stopping you from fully embracing the wonderful gifts you have. Just allow any healing to take place. And as you continue to walk around, you're guided to magical areas in this wonderful garden, and you may wish just to go and sit under a tree, sit by a stream. So allow yourself to wander. You're crossing over a little bridge, and as you do so, you just feel the energies of the water elements coming through to cleanse any emotions that you are holding on to that are no longer required. Continue to walk around. You feel the energies of the beautiful doves bringing peace and tranquility to you. Continue to walk around the path. You can hear the birds chirping, giving you inspiration. You continue back over the little bridge, following the path, and gently walking through the beautiful light, giving thanks to the bumblebees and Mother Nature, and just allowing yourself continually to let go and receive inspiration on how you can find solutions to your problems, as they are not real, they're illusional, and you can easily let them go. Gently walking back through, allowing yourself to continue to receive deep healing, and you find yourself back where you started the meditation. Just bringing yourself back into your wonderful space. Gently allowing your chakras to be closed down. And enjoy the rest of the day or your evening. Thank you for being part of this magical earth journey. Namaste.